So first things first, we want to create the two boilerplates. You just come down to installation and copy this command. Get to your terminal and I'll do my work in the documents directory. You can choose anywhere. So all right. First of all, I need to create a folder. I want everything that I'll be doing today to be in one folder. So make dir um, Next.js taught vid, just in case I have something like that already. I'll hit enter and then I'll change my directory into that so that I will do everything inside of that. So cd, yes. Now I can paste the command I copied, npx create next app at latest. Hit enter and that should start uh yeah, start building. But and on the other hand, let me just end this so that I would just open this folder in VS Code. Yes, yeah, something like this. I want to be able to build the two application concurrently, and I want you to be able to see everything I'm doing from one screen. So VS Code is the best option. So open the terminal down here, and what I would do now is to paste the command and then start. I can also open a second terminal, paste the same command and start. Then in each of them, I will name each of these projects based on what we want to do. So one of them would be like page router auth, and the other one would be app router auth, something like that. So like I said, one of them will be page router auth. Yes. So you hit we'll not be using TypeScript, so no. ESLint, no. Tailwind, no. Wouldn't be needing any of this, no. This is the page router, so for the app router we'd say no, and finally no. So this will start installation. So go back to the next terminal. So we will now do the app router here. So this is app router auth. Hit enter. No TypeScript, no ESLint, no Tailwind, no source folder, and yes, we want to use the app router here. So yes, and no, we don't need the import alias. So everything will start installing.